Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing how to set up database on ToyStack. So let's begin. So go to Google and type toystack.ai. You can click on ToyStack. The website would be displayed and click on Get Started. And you can either log in with GitHub or log in with Bitbucket. So I'm logging in with GitHub. So over here, you can find a feature called databases. Click on databases. So this feature will simplify the creation process, allowing you to provision database instances tailored for your testing needs. So you just need to provide a name and password and generate a fully functional database ready for immediate use. So this will reduce the time for you to just set up your database. So let's begin. Click on create a new database button. So by default, PostgreSQL database is selected. You can provide database name. For example, my first demo database. Can choose 16.3 version. Provide description. This database is created for demo purpose, right? And you can click on create database. So this will display the details of your database. So you can choose any plan over here. And the plan which I am going to choose is $5 plan per month. Click on select plan and click on proceed with payment and activation. So you can apply coupon code over here. You can use $5 from your ToyStack wallet, or you can pay through payment gateway. So I'm clicking on this and using from my wallet. So my plan is activated successfully. Go to the database dashboard. So over here you can initialize your password for starting to use, right? So I'm going to click on activate now. This is the database name, username, and I'm going to give password as password. You can provide anything you like. Click on activate. So this will start showing bill logs, and it will take some time for configuration. So you can see the status is in progress. So as you can see over here, the status is active now. So your database is activated, and this is the host URL generated. So let's check it out by connecting to this database. You can go to DBViewer, go to database, new database connection, PostgreSQL, next, and can give paste the URL over here, this one, Control C and Control V. Can also provide the port number and the password which you had given during the setup. So I'm entering password as password which I have set it, and you can test the connection. So your database is connected. Click on OK and finish. So your database is connected. You can check it over here. So this is the table. So yes, this is how you can set up database on ToyStack. Thank you so much.